What is up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to share with you a Louis Vuitton bag unboxing, and these past 2-3 weeks I've been thinking about this bag in this particular combo non-stop. Currently I have two of this bag in my collection in two different sizes. Before I jump right into this video, I'd just like to introduce myself for those who are new. Hello, my name is Kim and I'm a crazy bag lover. I live and breathe bags. I love jewelry, I love fashion. If that's your cup of tea, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join the family. Make sure you click on the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on my future uploads. And with that being said, let's jump right into this video. This one arrived on Friday and today is Sunday. I haven't unboxed it, so I'm really excited to unbox it with you. I purchased this one from my gorgeous SM Tanya. Hi Tanya. Oh my gosh. Has the gorgeous red tissue paper, which I love. It's got this gorgeous Louis Vuitton print all over it. It's got the rats on it for Year of the Rat 2020. It's just so nice. She always packages everything so nicely. So very big. Oh, I'll take the invoice. I'll put the invoice here. And then it's lovely. She included the shopper bag as well. This one came from Louis Vuitton Sydney. Pause the video, have a guess, see what you think this bag is. Then when you open it up, oh, that is so sweet. What? So I've got a little envelope with a little message from my gorgeous SM. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh, thank you so much. She included this gorgeous little Louis Vuitton. It's a deluxe sample of their perfume, and this one is the Matière Noir. And then she's also included like 3 of these little perfume samples as well. Oh, Nuit Defu. Nuit Defu. I guess so I'll just undo that. So these are 2 mils. Oh yes, this is the one. This one smells like a church, smells like incense, and it's got that sort of sandalwood sort of oud scent to it. Oh, I love it so much. Oh, it smells heavenly. It smells so good. Oh, the Matière Noir perfume. I can't open it.
2 hours later.
You have to apply quite a lot of force to get that lid top off. Oh, I do like that. Thank you so much. I love it. It's so cute. So I'm going to display this one on the shelf. It's so cute. It's like a little display. I'll just put it I'll just put it there. Oh, I love it so much. I think I'm going to get that perfume. That smells amazing. At the start, when Louis Vuitton first introduced their perfume line, I wasn't a big fan because I'm like, some of these smell quite generic, nothing really special about some of them. But they kept introducing new perfumes and new perfumes. It's quite hard to keep up because they bring in quite a few. And some of them are just incredible, like really deluxe and really unique. I want a perfume that not many people have. Oh, I have to, have a look at the perfumes and then definitely purchase some of them. But let's move on to this bag. Sorry, I got distracted by the perfumes. So it comes in this gorgeous dust bag. Oh my gosh, I can feel it. And I'll just take it out of the box. You guys ready? Ta-da! Oh my gosh, how cute! Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. This is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM, and I got it in the gorgeous Damier Ebene with the red interior. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Also comes with the detachable pouch. It's got this D-ring. You can clip and close the bag to make it a lot more secure. You can cinch the bag in to make the opening a lot more smaller. The zippered compartment says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. This one can be an all year round type of print. It's easy to look after. I can wear this one in the rain with no problems at all. I won't have to worry about the trim. And yeah, I just really love this combo. I think it works great and looks great with all outfits. Now the reason why I've been thinking about getting this bag for the last 2-3 weeks was because I have been using my laptop quite a lot lately. I wanted to find a laptop bag and this came to mind. There's an Instagrammer that I follow that I love her style and I love her choice of bags and her outfits, and she has this exact bag and I'm like, if she has this bag, there's nothing wrong with this bag, because I know that a lot of people call this like the basic bag because literally everyone has it. I've got my MacBook Pro. I think this is a 15-inch and I can fit it in very easily. I can also fit the laptop going upwards like this way. I think it's such a great, fantastic work bag. That's why I wore a white shirt today, just to show you what it can look like, you know, as a work bag. It's a very functional bag, and I know that I'll use this one a lot. And I've loved it that Louis Vuitton have changed up their Damier Ebene leather trimming, because I've seen quite a lot of pre-loved ones, how the edges around the bag has cracked and scuffed and stuff like that. It hasn't worn quite well, whereas hopefully this one will wear a lot better. Now let's do a price breakdown on this bag. I've seen quite a lot of people purchase this item brand new, but they've decided to sell off the pouch. Now these pouches on the pre-loved market for brand spanking new ones go for about 550 Australian dollars. For pre-loved ones, they go for about 450 Australian dollars, and they get snapped up quite quickly. So if I were to purchase this bag and I don't use this pouch, I could easily sell it for 550, which will bring the total down of this bag to 1,630, 1,600 for a brand spanking new Louis Vuitton bag, which is fantastic value. Let's say I use this bag for the next 5 years. So over 5 years, this bag will cost me about $326 per year for a Louis Vuitton bag that I'm using for work, going out, beach, travel, groceries, whatever it be. And let's say that I use this bag for about 350 days of 1 year over 5 years. This bag works out to be less than $1 per day. So when you think about it, this is a fantastic buy, and that's why I think this one is definitely one of the best bags on the market that you can get from Louis Vuitton. That's a great thing with the Neverfulls. It's always desirable and it holds value. Resale value in this is fantastic. It's literally paying you to use this bag. In 10 years time when you sell it, you're able to get your money back, and that can go towards another brand new Louis Vuitton bag or another whatever bag it is, because in 10 years time this bag will be about 3,600, 3,700. So the two Neverfulls I currently have in my collection, so I've got the Neverfull MM and the Neverfull GM in the monogram, both with the beige interior lining. Let's talk about the GM first. So I had the Neverfull Damier GM. I realized, you know what, I don't really need two Neverfull GMs in my collection. I left it for about 2 years. I didn't use it, so I sold it off. I thought this one was a better option. I think that this size is really chic, yet I'm yet to use it. I have never used it before. I did spray and treat all the Vachette leather trimming, so it has like a really nice sort of light golden honey patina on it, just from being aired out, and over time it does darken naturally. It's never seen the day of light. I'm just holding on to it because it will definitely come in handy one day. All right, now let's talk about this little guy. This one is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM in the monogram canvas. This one is the older model without the detachable pouch, and it's got the gorgeous fleur-de-lis interior lining. This one I purchased at the end of 2009 from the Louis Vuitton flagship boutique on Collins Street. At the time, I was not a fan of Damier Ebene at all. This was my second ever Louis Vuitton bag. So this bag is 11 years old and it's held up really well. It came in handy. It fits so much in it. The thing is, I use this bag a lot, but I wasn't in love with it. And I think the reason for that is because the Vachette trimming got dirty quite quickly, because I mean 11 years ago I didn't know to spray it with anything to protect the Vachette leather trim. At the time I paid 925 Australian dollars. This bag has literally paid for itself, because currently at the market value that I've seen these bags go for, it goes anywhere between 980 to 1,250 Australian dollars. Literally, I've used this bag for free over the last 11 years and I'm still able to make a little bit of money off it. I can definitely easily sell it for a lot less, but at market value now it is in fantastic condition. Like, the corners are fantastic and I've used this bag so much for work. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it gave you some insight as to why I recommend the Neverfull bag and why it is so popular. And yeah, I'm really excited to have this part of my collection. Like, I think it's great value for money, as I've explained and, you know, did all the price breakdown for you. You can actually see why this bag pays for itself and it's a great investment. Louis Vuitton bags are still very affordable, and I know it is a lot of money to put up front, but if you save up, you know, $100 per week, put a little bit of money on the side, in no time you'll be able to afford this bag and it will bring you lots of years of enjoyment. When you think about it, this bag was only released in 2007, so it has been 13 years, and it is popular because it is such a workhorse and it's great value because you get the detachable pouch as well. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already and you did enjoy this video, you do enjoy my content, you would like to see more of me, I'd love if you would hit that subscribe button and join the family. If you're a crazy bag lover like I am, I live and breathe bags. I love bags so much. Make sure to click on the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on my future uploads. And with that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!